There are cars that scream about their power at every turn. They're painted in bright colors, feature massive fender flares, and demand the attention of every passerby. And then there's the Subaru Legacy GT Spec.B. This car doesn't try to be something it isn't. It looks like a sophisticated business sedan, the kind you use to drive your kids to school in the morning and head to a business meeting in the evening. But don't let this conservative exterior fool you. Under the hood beats a heart capable of turning an ordinary drive into a real adrenaline-fueled ride. It's a wolf in sheep's clothing. It's a Japanese classic that knows its own worth. Spec.B isn't just a suffix to the name. It's a distinct philosophy. It's a version created for those who understand what true balance is. At its core lies the legendary 2.5-liter turbocharged boxer engine. Its low center of gravity isn't just marketing, it's physics that you feel with every fiber of your being in every turn. When the turbo reaches operating pressure, the car transforms. The torque builds steadily, without any dips, pushing you back into your seat with that perfectly satisfying weight. And the symmetrical AWD system? It works so seamlessly that it feels as though you're not driving a car, but an extension of your own thoughts. Rain, snow, or dry asphalt. For the Legacy Spec.B, these are merely backdrops that don't affect your speed. But the most surprising thing is the contrast. The Spec.B is a version that combines the sporty stiffness of the Bilstein suspension with premium interior features. It features leather, aluminum accents, and a high-quality audio system. You don't feel tired even after driving 100 kilometers. This is a car for the mature driver. It's for someone who has outgrown the era of loud exhaust, but still needs a car capable of more than just getting from point A to point B. This is an honest engineering product. There is nothing superfluous here. There is no cheap plastic here. There's only functionality brought to the level of art. Owning a Legacy GT Spec.B means being in the club of people who appreciate old school. This is a car from an era when engineers ruled the world, not marketers. When the main thing was how the car feels the road, and not how many screens are built into the central console. It does not forgive mistakes, it requires skills, but in return it gives what is increasingly difficult to find today: a clean, genuine connection between a person and a machine. You feel every millimeter of the steering wheel. You understand what each wheel does. This is trust, which is earned not by purchase, but by shared kilometers. Subaru Legacy GT Spec.B is more than just a sedan. This is your faithful ally, your personal athlete, and your way to tell the world that true power does not require loud words. She speaks for herself, on the road at every turn. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can see each other in the next review.